Hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're diving back into the world of Wiggle, but with a twist. We'll explore it using the slider effect and another option with a script. Both methods have their advantages, so let's start with the slider effect. First, I'll create a solid layer and name it Square. Then, I'll make a null object that will act as our control for the slider effect. We'll apply the slider effect to the null object and duplicate it. We need two sliders, one for frequency and one for amplitude. Now on our square layer, we'll apply the wiggle expression. Inside the expression, we'll input two numbers separated by a comma. I'll use 2 zeros for now. The first number will be our frequency, and the second will be our amplitude. We'll then pick width the first number to our first slider, and the second number to our second slider. This way, we can easily control the frequency and amplitude of the wiggle directly from the sliders. The beauty of the slider is how incredibly simple it makes animating the wiggle effect. You could even apply the slider effect directly to the object you're animating. But I prefer using a null object. It just makes animating so much more convenient, especially if you're working with many objects linked to that null. You can see that we can still animate the position of our object without any issues, while the wiggle is active. Alright, let's clear everything and bring back our square object. I'll apply a simple position animation, but it can work perfectly fine without one. This is just to show you there are no conflicts. Okay, with the animation applied, I'm going to paste a script here directly. This script tells the wiggle effect when to start and when to end. Further down in the script, you can also edit the frequency and amplitude of the effect. I'll put the script in the first comment of the video so you can easily copy and paste it. I get a lot of questions about this topic, so I really hope this helps you out. See you in the next video. Bye.